Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. The BMW 8 Series arrived in 2018, and the German automaker is ready to refresh the model. For 2023, the 8 Series Coupe, Cabriolet, and Gran Coupe sedan are getting a mild makeover inside and out. This is a mid-cycle refresh, so there aren't many changes to note, but BMW did make some improvements customers should appreciate. Inside, the biggest change will be in the dash, where BMW replaces the 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster with its 12.3-inch live Cockpit Professional display. One could say the more substantial changes are on the outside, but BMW doesn't change much. The 2023 8 Series receives a new illuminated grille featuring redesigned U-shaped vertical bars. The trick grille activates when the vehicle is unlocked or when a door is opened. The driver can manually turn off the feature. BMW also gives the updated Model 5 new colors: Skyscraper Gray Metallic, San Remo Green Metallic, Portimao Blue Metallic, BMW Individual Frozen Tanzanite Blue Metallic, and Frozen Pure Gray, and 2 new optional wheel choices. The M850iX Drive Coupe, Convertible, and Gran Coupe models receive a few more upgrades. The model gets the M exterior mirrors initially designed exclusively for the BMW M8 and an M badge in the grille. A new optional M Sport Package Professional is available for the M850iX Drive Coupe that adds black calipers, a black kidney grille, a black spoiler, and shadowline headlights with dark inserts. US production for the refreshed BMW 8 Series will begin this March, with the entry-level price unchanged from the 2022 model year. That means the 2023 Coupe and Gran Coupe will start at $85,000, which excludes the $995 destination charge. The 2022 8 Series convertible starts at $94,400.